In the Pacific Northwest, we see more than our fair share of rainfall. That precipitation, and often organic debris, collects on the flat surface of a deck, a balcony, or a porch. When a wet deck or landing is in direct contact with the exterior wall, moisture can wick into the siding or seep down into the wall. That condition is likely to cause rot and structural damage. Here's an example of only one vulnerable location. This rot probe is buried in rotted wood at the junction of the deck and the exterior wall. When there's no overhang or roof to shelter a porch or a deck, the structure is particularly susceptible to rot and moisture-related issues. Perhaps the best way to protect against moisture intrusion at the exterior wall on a landing is to select and install a suitable flashing. Usually, the flashing of choice is a metal L flashing. Such a flashing will fit over the top of a wood ledger board. That's the horizontal member that is usually anchored to the side of the house at a porch or a deck. This drawing depicts a typical L flashing. The bottom of the L flashing goes over the ledger board. The top of the flashing goes up behind the siding. Then, to complete the job, the final decking board goes over the bottom of the flashing. There should be a gap of about 1.5 inches between the siding and the decking, so moisture isn't trapped between the two surfaces. A missing or defective flashing can lead to water intrusion in unexpected places, such as down in this crawl space. Where there's water, rot and structural damage may develop, not only in walls, but at rim joists and ledger boards. By the way, this concern is not confined to wood siding. There can be similar deterioration of cement base sidings that are in close proximity to flat surfaces. Therefore, when a deck, a balcony, or a porch is being built, or if the structure is being repaired, good design calls for the flashing at the junction of the landing and the exterior wall, and when there's a ledger board, lag screws or bolts should be installed to anchor the structure to the house.